And we're going to call this the front part. And now I have to count my bonds just to make sure I don't forget. I'm trying to make it as short as possible because I don't want you to count the bonds and I don't want you to think that we have to count the bonds. So we're going to go this and this and that. Okay? That's good enough for vitamin E for right now? Okay. So here's what happens. In okay, so the first step is initiation, right? Which means that somehow, somewhere in this giant hydrocarbon chain, something has happened where you have this group that has an H everywhere, like they call it RH, right? Which just means a giant side chain, and it has an H, right? Because this is two H's, right? This is two H's. Well, this is one H. This is one H. This is one H. One H, and anyways. So this isn't really like, why am I counting wrong? It doesn't really matter. Well, I'm going to change the section because I want to make sure that where's my methylene carbon? This is my methylene carbon. There we go. Now I'm happy. Okay, and that's an H. Okay, so that's what I get for trying to go too fast. Okay, so we have two double bonds. We have a double bond here, and we have a double bond here, which makes it a polyunsaturated fatty acid. Okay, and then we have our methylene carbon right here. So, at some point, here are these double bonds. This carbon is happy because it has 4, and this carbon is happy because it has 4. But to be really happy, it doesn't want to share at all. It would prefer to have 4 of its own than to have 2 of its own and share. You know what I mean? Like, it's just happier. These are stable, don't get me wrong. But if something comes along that presents a better option, that carbon's going to take it. All right? So when we write, I'll erase this. I'm going to do this over. When we write step 1, RH goes to R, right? E minus, or they use a dot, right? So what that means is, here we have all these H's. One of these H's is going to leave, and there's going to be an electron hanging out there. And that's just because, again, where does this come from? It comes from a reactive oxygen species or a reactive lipid species. Anything that has an extra electron available on it, if it runs into this in the right way, it's going to destabilize those bonds. It just doesn't, that's just the way that carbon is. Okay, so that's step 1, right? So step 2. Okay, so this is elongation, or what do they call it? Propagation. Propagation, because